Hello, my name is Jerry. I'm building the Chameleon nested dinghy designed by Danny Greene. Plans are available from duckworks.com. This was the status of the dinghy about a week ago. Not finished yet, but gives you the idea of what I'm building. Now the steps of how I got this far. The first step is to loft the design by drawing grid lines on the plywood, then taking plots identified on the plans and marking them on the plywood. You use finished nails on the plot marks, then use a batten to connect them and draw a fair curve, then cut out the parts. Use stitch and glue with thickened epoxy to put the hull together. The center bulkheads are constructed with about 1/8 of an inch gap. I used a few roofing nails to make the gap. The middle bulkheads have a support beam on top that is formed by laminating pieces of lumber with epoxy held in a curved jig. The middle bulkheads are put in place and the hull sections are bent up to the bulkheads and secured to start forming the shape of the boat. Then all seams are filleted with thickened epoxy and strengthened with fiberglass cloth. Gussets or knees are added at each corner. The bulkhead beams and gunnels are cut down to allow the knees to be flush with the tops. Then it is time to drill 2 holes through both bulkheads for bolts. Then cut the boat in two between the 2 middle bulkheads with a handsaw. Here's a shot of the 2 halves bolted back together with my grandson standing in the front. More later.